Azerbaijan provided financial.
Institutional setup of the non-aligned, the chairmanship of the non-aligned movement in 2019 at the Baku summit of the movement, and declared the fall, strengthening unity of the growing challenges of contemporary world. Non-parliamentary network.
Founded in 2022 constitutes an additional assets for promotion of multilateral. The Human Rights Council in October of 2023, the draft international covenant on the right to development was submitted to the UN General Assembly for its consideration.
It is indeed an opportunity to reaffirm our commitment to strengthen our cooperation on the basis of a strategic partnership that endeavors to maintain peace, security, and development while expressing grave concern over the challenges posed by the continued prevalence of conflict, terrorism, and security and instability in some parts of our regions.
Africa has got everything. Here we have everything. What we need from other people are markets and investments. But we shall not only sell to you, we shall also buy from you. We are not like others who want only to sell to others but not buy from them.
And development of the values